Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're jumping into 10 foods you probably know. They're all globally recognized, low in fat, but really high in protein.
Yeah, and these aren't some weird, hard-to-find things either. You can basically get them anywhere.
Exactly. So our mission today is to explore, why they're so good for you and maybe give you some super simple recipe ideas.
Sounds great. Where should we start?
Let's kick things off with a classic, skinless chicken breast. I mean, it's pretty much the diet staple, right?
Oh, absolutely. And it's not just low-fat, high-protein. It's a complete protein. Meaning it has all 9 of those essential amino acids your body needs, but can't make itself.
Right.
Super important stuff.
Okay. And for cooking it simply?
Honestly, grilling it is fantastic. Just a bit of lemon, salt, pepper. That's it. Really lets the chicken shine.
Simple is often best. Okay, moving on. Egg whites. Talk about pure protein.
That's the perfect description. You get almost all the protein of the egg, but like practically 0 fat.
And fewer allergens for some people too, I've heard.
That's right. That pure protein is amazing for muscle repair. Keeps you feeling full. Think a quick egg white omelet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, just whites, maybe some spinach, tomato. Super quick, super healthy meal. You ditch the yolk, you focus on the protein.
Nice. Okay, next. Non-fat Greek yogurt. This one feels like a bit of a nutritional powerhouse.
It really is. Way more protein than regular yogurt, And that thick texture isn't just for kicks.
Right, that's from the straining.
Exactly. They strain out the whey, and that concentrates the protein left behind.
And it makes a great base for berries.
Oh, definitely. Toss some blueberries or raspberries on top. You got a healthy dessert or even breakfast that still packs a good protein punch. Satisfying.
Good tip. Let's switch to plant-based now. Tofu. It's everywhere, isn't it? Western cooking, Asian cooking.
Totally. Its biggest strength is probably its versatility, but it's also another complete protein, just, plant-based.
So how would you cook it simply?
A quick stir fry is perfect. Tofu, mushrooms, some other veggies, bit of soy sauce. It just soaks up whatever flavor you give it.
Easy enough. Staying plant-based. Lentils. Tiny but mighty, right?
Packed with protein, low fat, and they have that secret weapon you mentioned earlier.
The fiber.
Yes.
Yep.
Loads of fiber. Really helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. Great for digestion, too.
So maybe a soup.
Lentil soup is fantastic. Simmer with veggies, season how you like, maybe some consommé, herbs, spices. It's filling and nutritious, and honestly, pretty cheap to make.
Good point. Okay, something super convenient now. Canned tuna. In water, specifically.
Ah, yes, the pantry staple. Can't beat it for convenience. Low-fat fish, high protein, great for dieting.
Because it's just there when you need it.
Pretty much. Shelf-stable, ready to go. A simple tuna salad, just the tuna, lettuce, cucumber, maybe a squeeze of lemon or some vinegar. Fast, healthy lunch.
Perfect for a quick meal. Let's talk seafood. Shrimp.
Shrimp are great. Also low in fat, rich in protein, plus you get some good minerals, too.
And they cook fast, right?
Incredibly fast, which is perfect if you're busy. Sauté them with garlic, salt, pepper. That's literally all you need. Delicious, lean protein.
Sounds good. Another plant-based one. Tempeh. This one's interesting. Fermented soybeans.
Yeah, tempeh. It's related to tofu, but different. It's fermented, high protein, and that fermentation process can actually make it easier to digest for some folks.
Easier digestion, that's a plus. How would you use it?
Similar to tofu, really. A stir fry works well. Throw it in with vegetables, maybe an Asian-style sauce. It has a firmer texture than tofu, kind of nutty.
Okay, good to know. Back to dairy for a moment. Low-fat cottage cheese.
Ah, cottage cheese. Super versatile. High protein, low fat. Brilliant for breakfast, snacks, you name it.
Why so versatile? Is it the taste?
Yeah, it's got a very mild flavor, so it works with savory stuff or sweet stuff.
Like what?
Well, a simple bowl with some chopped tomato and a little olive oil is great. Protein-rich, satisfying snack, or even a light meal.
I can picture that. Okay, last one. Whitefish. We're talking cod, sea bass, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Incredibly lean fish. Just a fantastic source of really high-quality protein.
High quality meaning?
Means it has that complete amino acid profile again, and our bodies can use that protein really, really efficiently.
And a simple way to cook it.
Baking is perfect. Bake some cod with herbs, maybe a tiny bit of olive oil. Simple, elegant, keeps the fat super low. You taste the fish.
Excellent. So that's our 10. Chicken, egg whites, Greek yogurt, tofu, lentils, tuna, shrimp, tempeh, cottage cheese, and whitefish.
Quite the list. And the common thread is clear. Low fat, high protein, and pretty accessible around the globe.
Absolutely. From chicken you can grill to fish you can bake. Lots of options there.
Which kind of leads to a final thought, maybe for you listening.
You on?
Well, thinking about how available these foods are, how adaptable they are, and, all sorts of different meals and cuisines, how might consciously adding more of them into your diet, your regular routine, actually contribute to your overall well-being, not just for a week, but like sustainably?
That's a great question to ponder, something for everyone to think about.